Amazing!
Hello everyone, this is the Laser Manufacturing Factory. Today we are introducing one of our best-selling products, the air-cooled laser welding machine. Now let's invite our chief engineer Wang Heng to explain it to everyone.
Hello everyone, this is our air-cooled laser welding machine. It weighs only 31 kilograms and has a volume of just 0.1 cubic meters. Its power is 1200 watts, but it can achieve a welding depth of 4 millimeters. It has multiple built-in welding parameters that can help beginners become skilled welders in half an hour. Very good.
Next, I will test its weight for you. All right. Wow. We can see that welding thicker aluminum is very easy and the speed is extremely fast. Can you guess what we are welding?
You can see that our welding gun head is very compact and exquisite, weighing only 650 grams. Its welding angle is very comfortable and ergonomic. Its size is much smaller than that of a typical water-cooled welding machine. You won't feel tired after using it for half an hour to an hour.
Wow! The welds are very neat and beautiful, and they are very strong.
Nice.
To conduct the test, and next we will test gold. Just kidding!
Wrist.
Brass is a highly reflective material, making it difficult to process with ordinary laser welding equipment.
Wow! The welding effect is still excellent, even though brass is also a high reflective material. Let's test how powerful our air-cooled welding machine really is. First, we will test aluminum. As we all know, aluminum is a high reflective material, and this aluminum is only 1 millimeter thick. Now let's invite teacher Wang Heng. There was no high temperature melting phenomenon when welding thin aluminum materials. This is galvanized square steel, which is widely used. This material is needed for welding various frames in daily application, and the effect is still fantastic. The equipment also has a built-in cleaning function, making the welds look even more beautiful. Welding thicker stainless steel three-way pipes is very easy.
It has excellent sealing properties.
And the results are consistently neat and beautiful. Do you like this kind of equipment?